As we are building and improving our project management practice here at Agiledrop, we identified that there are essentially three types of project managers. We call one the juggler, one the orchestrator, and the third one is partner. The juggler is a project manager who is able to move around different projects. They are able to be involved in many different things, in many different teams, and not get overwhelmed by the diversity. Actually, they are quite happy to have multiple projects. I think that they would get essentially bored with having just one thing working at one time. The orchestrator usually is more oriented to be on one single project and having full control and organization over that project. So it's a project manager who you would wake up in the middle of the night to tell them how their Jira board looks like, and they could actually tell you where each task is, right? Orchestrator also is a process person. They set up processes and they follow the processes, and they also expect all the team members to follow those processes. And then the third type of a project manager is the partner. A partner is less around actual operations of the project. They're aimed more towards the relationships with the clients and higher level understanding of what is going on. You could say that they are like an account manager. So because they are not only thinking about the operations of the project, but also they are very good at how the commercial agreements are being done. They can take care about the contract, the SLAs. Partner is also very good at upselling and finding new opportunities inside of the account, inside of the client. The whole idea is that the juggler would go crazy when working in a long enterprise project, right? And the orchestrator would not really appreciate, having multiple small projects where it's very hard to enforce any kind of process. And the partner would not feel confident working in an environment with high churn, with a lot of clients coming in and going out. Usually what happens is that you have this idea about what project managers should know, and they should have certificates, they should have experience with Scrum, they should know Kanban and all that. But what we learned, it's more about their personality and their traits and what kind of environments they're best at. When there is something going on, when there's a crisis on the project, the only thing that kicks in is the actual personality of the project manager. And if the wrong personality is placed on a wrong project, on a wrong type of project, this person will not be able to handle those things. So I think that more than anything, it's around the personality of the person and in what kind of environment they are able to thrive most.